Working with digital art files and received an MDP? This is a native project file from a popular free illustration app used by manga and comic artists worldwide. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you open and export these MediBang Paint documents. I call this the last resort solution for those MDP files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. MDP files are project documents created by MediBang Paint, the free digital illustration and comic creation application. They store the complete layered artwork, including individual paint layers, comic panel layouts, text layers, tones, screen tones, brush strokes, and layer properties with full non-destructive editing preservation for digital art projects. MDP files use a proprietary layered image format, storing individual raster layer pixel data with blending modes, opacity values, visibility flags, and layer ordering. The format supports comic panel templates, text layer properties, tone and screen tone assignments, and canvas metadata, including resolution and color profile information. Historically, the main tool for managing the MDP type has been MediBang Paint by MediBang Inc. Full rendering of all file components is dependent on dedicated proprietary software. Windows offers built-in viewing for many formats, but editing depth depends on graphics applications. We are testing every installed program for file recognition. Right-click your MDP file and choose Open With. Test MediBang. Paint first. If it fails, select another application. The right reader is in that list. If the MDP file still will not open, there is no need to stress. Now, it boils down to just 3 possibilities. We've prepared a simple list detailing these common culprits and the steps to verify them. First, opening in MediBang Paint. Download MediBang Paint free from medibangpaint.com and open the MDP file using File then Open. The application displays the full layered artwork with all layers, panels, text, and tone elements intact. MediBang Paint is available on Windows, macOS, iPad, iPhone, and Android for cross-platform access to MDP files. Next, editing layers and content. In MediBang Paint, use the Layers panel to select and edit individual layers. Adjust opacity, blending modes, and visibility for each layer. Use the built-in comic panel tools to modify panel layouts and the extensive brush library for painting. Cloud Sync allows saving work to MediBang Cloud for access across all your devices. Finally, exporting to standard formats. Export the MDP file from MediBang Paint to PSD, PNG, JPEG, or BMP format using File then Export. PSD format preserves layer structure for editing in Adobe Photoshop or GIMP. PNG and JPEG export flatten final images suitable for web publishing, printing, or sharing on social media and art portfolio platforms. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.